Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 robot vacuums that make cleaning effortless. From advanced navigation systems to self-emptying features, we've got it all covered. So stick around till the end to find out which robot vacuum is the best fit for your home. First up is the iRobot Roomba Essential Q 12020. Known for its simplicity, this model offers straightforward cleaning with a single brush roller and side brush. It's perfect for smaller homes and apartments. The Roomba doesn't have advanced mapping but uses a bump-and-go navigation system to avoid obstacles. It's priced around $200, making it budget-friendly. However, it lacks virtual walls and struggles with cables and small toys. The Roomba performs well on hardwood floors and carpets, but needs physical barriers to avoid no-go zones. One downside is that you have to manually empty the dustbin and clean the filter. While it's decent for basic cleaning, it may not suit larger homes or complex layouts. If you're someone who doesn't mind a bit of manual work and needs an affordable cleaner for occasional messes, this Roomba could be a suitable pick. Another feature worth mentioning is its compatibility with the Roomba app. While it doesn't offer detailed mapping, it allows you to schedule cleanings and monitor progress remotely. However, if you have multiple rooms or complex floor layouts, the lack of virtual walls can be limiting. If basic cleaning is all you need, this is still a solid entry-level option. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and its noise level is moderate, so it won't disrupt your daily activities. Next, we have the eufy X10 Pro Omni, which steps up the game with mopping capabilities and AI-based obstacle avoidance. Priced at $800, it's a premium option for those wanting advanced features. It comes with a base station that auto-empties dirt and cleans mop pads. It even dries the pads with hot air to prevent odor buildup. The eufy X10 Pro Omni shines with its mapping feature, allowing you to set no-go zones and schedule cleaning by room. It raises mop pads automatically when it detects carpets, preventing wet messes. The app offers multiple cleaning modes, including deep cleaning and turbo suction, making it ideal for high traffic areas. Plus, its quiet operation means you can run it while working from home or watching TV. What sets this vacuum apart is its self-cleaning functionality. The base station automatically washes and dries the mop pads, ensuring hygiene without constant supervision. Its dual tank system separates clean and dirty water, preventing cross-contamination. If you're someone who values automation and ease of use, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is an excellent investment. Its obstacle avoidance works well with pets and small children in the house. While the initial setup might take a bit longer due to its mapping calibration, once set, it's a hands-off experience. Its battery life is impressive, lasting up to 3 hours on a single charge, making it ideal for larger homes. Our third pick is the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, a high-performance robot vacuum with advanced AI navigation and dual rollers. It's perfect for homes with pets and multiple flooring types. The S8 scored 96.4% in debris removal tests and boasts an impressive 99% efficiency in pet hair cleanup. Its AI-powered obstacle recognition and mapping set it apart, identifying hazards like cables and pet waste to avoid messy accidents. The Roborock app allows complete customization of cleaning modes and schedules. It also features dual brushes, which make it highly effective on carpets and hard floors alike. However, priced above $1,500, it's one of the most expensive models. Despite this, its low maintenance and top-tier cleaning performance justify the cost for those seeking premium quality. Additionally, its large water and dust tanks reduce frequent refilling, making it ideal for larger homes. If you're someone who values precision and efficiency, this vacuum's smart mapping and obstacle avoidance are hard to beat. It's perfect for pet owners who deal with constant shedding, thanks to its powerful suction and dual roller design. While the price tag may be steep, its performance justifies the investment. It also integrates seamlessly with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands. For budget-conscious buyers, the eufy Roomba Vac 11S Max is a solid option at just $200. It's slim, quiet, and easy to use. While it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity and advanced navigation, it's great for small apartments or single rooms. It's also one of the slimmest vacuums on our list, able to fit under furniture with ease. The 11S Max relies on bump sensors and has no mapping features, so it's not ideal for larger homes. It's manual control only with no app integration. Still, it delivers decent cleaning performance with its BoostEQ technology, which adjusts suction power based on floor type. For those who just want a simple, affordable cleaner without the bells and whistles, this is a great choice. Its battery life of up to 100 minutes is enough to clean most small spaces on a single charge. It's also one of the quietest vacuums in this lineup, operating at just 55 decibels. This makes it a great option for use while working, studying, or relaxing. While it doesn't offer features like mopping or automatic emptying, it gets the job done for routine cleaning. However, keep in mind that it struggles with larger debris and may require manual assistance for deep cleaning tasks. Despite its limitations, the eufy Roomba Vac 11S Max is a great entry-level option for those looking for reliable performance without spending too much. Finally, we have the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, a versatile robot vacuum designed for larger homes. Priced around $400, it offers strong value with features like LiDAR navigation, multi-level mapping, and zone cleaning. It's a perfect mid-range choice for users who want smart features without breaking the bank. The Q5 Max Plus stands out with its auto-empty dock, which allows it to store dirt for up to 30 days before requiring attention. This is perfect for busy households where regular maintenance might be a hassle. It also supports adjustable suction power, handling carpets, rugs, and hard floors with ease. The LiDAR mapping is highly accurate, enabling precise navigation and the ability to create no-go zones and custom cleaning schedules through its app. The app also offers live tracking so you can monitor cleaning progress in real time. While it doesn't include mopping features, it excels at vacuuming tasks and easily handles pet hair and dust. Its battery life is another highlight, offering up to 180 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for larger spaces. Additionally, it integrates with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it with voice commands. The only minor downside is its slightly larger dock, which may require more storage space. However, with its robust performance, smart features, and affordability, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is a top contender for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning companion. So, which robot vacuum is right for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching.